Lift the arm off the windshield so the arm stays in the upright position. If you have not removed your wiper blade, please see wiper removal video first. Always place a towel under the wiper arm to protect your windshield if you accidentally allow the wiper arm to fall. To install your new wiper blade, you will first need to remove the pre-installed connector. Pull up on the front of the connector and pull it away from the blade. Remove the top lock connector from the packaging. Align the arrow on the side of the connector with the mounting base of the wiper blade. Snap the connector onto the wiper blade. Note, this wiper blade features an aerodynamic spoiler. For optimal performance, ensure your spoiler is always facing towards the windshield. Align the wiper blade and connector with the arm. Slide the connector onto the arm until you hear a click sound. Test to ensure the blade is secure. Place the arm gently back on the windshield. Never let the arm release directly onto the windshield, as this will cause damage. To optimize the silicone wiper performance and activate the water repelling benefit, be sure your windshield is clean, dry, and free of any debris. Turn on wipers and wiper dry on medium speed for 3 to 5 minutes.